now here I'm going to ask the questions. If you know the answer, then you can raise your hands up. If you want to give the answer, you can just raise your hand up. I'll allow you, and then you can tell me your answer. Fine. So do on your videos, everyone. Keep turn on. It will be easy to communicate with you all, and it feels like that we are in the classroom. So just turn on your video, everyone. So here I'm going to ask the first question. If you know the answer, you can raise your hand. But after I complete my question first, उसके बाद आप हैंड रेज करेंगे, ठीक है? अननेसेसरीली कोई मैसेज नहीं आप करेंगे. So yes, first question is, minerals are commonly found in the form of dash. So the first hand raised by Priyanshi. Yes, Priyanshi, you can tell me your answer.
Ma'am, option A, ores.
Very good. Option A, ores is the correct answer. So mark everyone. Minerals are commonly found in the form of ores. Lower down your hands. Be ready for the next question. Ferrous mineral like iron ore, manganese, and chromites contain dash content. What it contains? Tarun. Yes, Tarun, speak up. You can give your answer. Unmute now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, iron.
Very good. Iron is the correct answer. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, and chromites contain iron. So your answer is option D. Mark it, everyone. Next question is, the extraction of mineral resources from the earth is called Lakshya Jain.
Mining. Ma'am, mining.
Very good. The extraction of mineral from the earth is called mining. Mark it, everyone. Option B. Mining. Next question. Australia leads in the production of dash in the world. And I want this answer from Bhavanshi. Yes, Bhavanshi, you can give your answer.
Ma'am, option number D, bauxite.
Very good. Australia leads in the production of bauxite in the whole world. So it is the leading producer of bauxite. Market option is D. Question number 4. Correct answer. Very good, Bhavanshi. Next one. Dash is the almost entirely covered with ice and snow. It is about a place. Yes, Pavan, you can tell your answer. Which place is almost covered with ice and snow? Pavan Singh Rathore, you can give your answer. Beta, you are unmuted. Okay, passing this question to the Ayushi Seni. Tell me your answer.
Option number A, Antarctica.
Very good. Option A, Antarctica is the right answer. So a place who covers with ice and snow. Pavan, no problem. You are actually unmuted, but there may be a connection issue. Okay. Next question I'll ask from you. So the option number A is the right answer for question 5. This is Antarctica. You can mark it in your book. Moving on to the next question. Bauxite is ore from which dash is extracted. बॉक्साइट एक और है, उसे हम क्या एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं. So yes, Ishant, you can tell me your answer.
Ma'am, aluminium.
Aluminium is the right answer. Option D. Bauxite is the ore from which aluminium is extracted. The next question, which is question number 7. Thorium is found in large quantities along the beaches of dash. I repeat, thorium is found in large quantities along the beaches of dash. Devanshu. You raise your hand. Yes, Devanshu. What should be the right answer?
My answer is Goa.
Is it?
I'm sorry. Bombay.
No, beta, this is not the right answer. Passing this question to the next one. You can find it in your book. What should be the correct answer for this? Yes, Kavish. Kavish Kumawat, you can give your answer. Very good. Kerala is the correct answer. So option A for question number 7, which is Kerala. So thorium is found largely alongside the beaches of Kerala. Mark option number A. Next is question number 8, which is energy generated from tides is called dash energy. Which energy we can generate with high tides? Yes, so many students are raising their hands, so I'm going to give this opportunity to Pawan. Now you can tell the answer. Yes, beta. Tidal energy, right? Option A, tidal energy. So I'm going to repeat all the answers again. From the question number 1 till the last question of MCQ. I'm writing it here on board. Is it visible to all? So the first one is option A, ores. Second, iron. Third is mining. Fourth one is bauxite. Fifth, and Antarctica. Sixth, aluminium. 7, Kerala. 8, tidal energy. So all these are the answers of MCQs. You can match it with the answer you filled there. If there is any mistake, you can correct it. Is it clear to all? The next we are going to discuss fill in the blanks. Second question. Yes, fill in the blanks पे आइए. So the first question that I'm going to ask is, dash is done by digging deep wells called oil vessel. What is called? What it is called? The process of extraction of oil. Yes, who will tell? Ronak Vashisht, please tell me what should be the right answer.
Ma'am, Drilling.
It should be drilling. Very good. Drilling is the right answer. The extraction of oil from the deep holes. There are 4 processes to extracting the minerals from the earth crust. And what are these? Mining, shaft mining, quarrying and drilling. So this is one kind of extraction of oil. कैसे किसके through हम extract करते हैं? The process of drilling. Fill the right answer in the first fill up, which is drilling. The next question is, distribution of dash is uneven across the globe. So what we are talking about? किनका distribution unequal है across the whole world? Yes, Devanshu.
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए बेटा second fill up का answer. Distribution of dash is uneven across the globe. The chapter is about what? Name क्या है chapter का? Recall करो.
Minerals. Minerals.
Very good.
Minerals.
So the distribution of minerals is uneven across the globe. Next question, be ready everyone. Metallic minerals are mostly found in dash and dash, where it can be found easily. Metallic minerals की बात कर रहे हैं. ज़्यादातर metallic minerals कहाँ पर find out होते हैं? So yes, Ishant, you can tell your answer. Don't send messages.
Ma'am, igneous and metamorphic rocks.
Very good. The metallic minerals we are commonly can found in igneous
मैं सुबह सुबह mind fresh रहता है.
rocks. Very good. Here I'm going to give the next question, which is, dash also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Here we are talking about a particular place or a continent. You have to tell the name of a continent. Yes, Hemant, give me your answer.
Asia.
Very good. So the fourth fill-up is Asia. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. Next question. Dash is the energy obtained from sunlight, which is the very easiest question. Yes, Aditya Gangwani.
Solar energy.
Very good. Solar energy is that energy we get from sunlight. We obtain from sunlight. So the fill up 5 fill करेंगे आप solar energy. Next fill up, sun rays are trapped in dash cells. Solar energy का ही part है through what process we can obtain it और कहाँ पर store होती है. Yes, Samriddhi, tell me your answer.
Photovoltaic cells.
Photovoltaic cells. Yes, it is the right answer. Sun rays are trapped in photovoltaic cells. You can fill there photovoltaic. Next, 7th fill up. The greatest producer of dash are the US. So what a mineral that both these nations are producing in a large quantity and they are leading in the production of that. Okay, so Lakshya Jain, you can give the answer.
Ma'am, nuclear power.
Very good. Nuclear power is the right answer. The greatest producers of nuclear power are USA and Europe. The next question is, in India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposits of dash. Ronak, what should be the right answer? Yes. Ronak, Vashish, you can give the right answer. Don't know? Fine. Priyanshi, what should be the right answer?
Ma'am, uranium.
The right answer is uranium. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have largest deposits of uranium. So you can fill uranium in the last fill up. Here I am going to write all the options. Okay, fine. Here I am going to write all the answers of fill ups on the board. So yes, here all are the answers of fill-ups. First one is drilling, second minerals, third igneous and metamorphic rocks, fourth one is Asia, fifth solar energy, sixth is photovoltaic cells, seventh is nuclear power, and eighth one is uranium. If anybody missed any answer, they can check on the board, they can write it in their books. So here we are going to continue with the true and false. Be ready, everyone. First statement is, we get metals such as iron, gold, and copper from metallic minerals. Is it true or false? Yes, Ronak.
True.
Very good. The statement is correct. You can fill there true. Next. Metallic mineral do not contain metals. Is it right? ये तो बहुत easiest है. You can easily judge it with the statement. पढ़ते ही पता चल जाना चाहिए. Yes, Lakshya.
Ma'am, false.
Very good. The statement is false. Next. Third is, the process of extraction of mineral oil is called mining. अभी अभी हमने यही question first आपका fill up जो है वो fill किया है. So the statement is true or false? Bhavanshi.
Ma'am, false.
Very good. The statement is false. अगर false है, what should be true?
Ma'am, drilling is done by digging deep wells called oil wells.
Very well done. So it is not the process of oil extraction. Mining एक oil extraction का process नहीं है. It can be another process of extracting metallic minerals. But the process of oil drilling from the deep holes, it's called drilling, not mining. Next question. The old plateau of the world are rich sources of minerals. Is it true or false? Hemant.
True.
Very good. Statement is correct. Definitely, we can find more deposits of mineral at the plateaus. And in India, which plateau has the largest deposits of minerals?
Ma'am, Deccan Plateau.
Very good. Deccan Plateau is the right answer. So, answer of the fourth statement is true. Next statement. China and India have large aluminium ore deposit. Tarun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What is the fifth statement?
Ma'am, false.
Okay, then China and India have largest deposits of what?
Ma'am, iron.
Very good. These both the countries does not have the largest deposits of aluminium, but they have of iron ore, right? Next statement, sixth one is Asia has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. Yes, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am. This is statement is true.
Very good. The statement is true. Asia have deposits of all these minerals. Moving on to the next. Natural gas is fast becoming important source in India. Is it true? Give me the collective answer, everyone. Is it true? Good. The statement is correct that India soon is going to be converted into important source of energy of natural gas. Okay, we are using day by day more natural gas. So here, solar energy is the energy obtained from sunlight. The statement again is true statement. So the eighth statement is correct. You can fill there true. Coming on to the ninth statement. Anthracite is the finest quality coal which contain 75% of iron. Did I spoke well? Is it true?
Ma'am, it is false.
90%.
false. Ma'am, 90%. 90% कार्बन होता है.
You all did not observe that. मैंने क्या बोला? मैंने कार्बन नहीं बोला, मैंने आयरन बोला. तो मेरा स्टेटमेंट कंप्लीटली क्या है? रॉन्ग है. 75% ऑफ कार्बन अगर मैं बोलती तो भी आपका स्टेटमेंट क्या है? फॉल्स है. What should be? Yes, Aditya Gangwani, you noticed. Very good. What should be the quantity of carbon content in anthracite? It contains 90% of carbon, right? So the statement is totally a wrong statement. You can write false in front of that. Coming on to the next statement. Conservation measures involve recycling and reuse of minerals. Is it true or false? Priyanshi.
Ma'am, it is true.
Very good. There is a concept of 3R or 5R policy. So we can say that recycling and reuse, it's a part of conservation process. Very good. So I'm going to repeat again First statement is true. Second statement, false. Third statement, also false. Fourth statement is true. Fifth statement is false. Then sixth, seventh, and eighth. All these are true. Ninth statement is false. And 10th statement is true. You can match up all. Is there any doubt that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा, I got you all that. There is no problem. So I'm going to ask the next question, which is match of the following, and only a single student can give all the answers of match of the following. So here I'm going to give the opportunity to Pawan. बताओ बेटा, match the following.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first kind minerals. Ma'am, kind of natural occurring substances.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, second kind non-metallic minerals. Ma'am, इसका आएगा minerals do not contain metals. और मैं थर्ड में metallic minerals. जिसका आएगा minerals contain metals. Solar energy आएगा energy obtained from sunlight.
Fine, next.
और मैम firewood का आएगा used for cooking and heating.
Okay.
मैम stick का आएगा anthracite का आएगा the finest quality coal. और मैम thermal energy generated from tide.
Very well done. All the answers that you gave are correct answer. So match the following. I'm going to repeat it again. If anybody had left anything, they can match it with the correct answers. Here these are. First one, option D. Second one, option E. Third one, option F. Fourth one, option G. Fifth one, option C. Sixth one, option B. And seventh is option A. So here are all the match the following. You can match and done in your books. After that, we are going to discuss the question in short. I hope all you had marked it. If not, still मैंने शेयर किया हुआ है स्क्रीन, आप कर सकते हैं अभी भी. Okay, now we are going to continue with the question in short. First question is, how are minerals and power resources vital for the economic progress of a nation? I repeat, how are mineral and power resources vital for the economic progress of a nation? Who will tell me? Okay. चलिए ठीक है, लक्ष्य जैन आपको ही देते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटी. You raise 10 times your hands.
Ma'am, page number 128.
Okay, page number 128. Yes, pick up.
Ma'am, in short के पैराग्राफ में mineral and power resources are vital for the economic and industrial progress of a nation. The presence or absence of mineral power resource can have powerful influence on the relative wealth and economic independence of a country.
Very good. It is the correct answer. So yes, everyone. Answer of the first question in short, you can come at page number 128. There you find a blue highlighted column, which is in short. Heading मिल जाएगा आपको. And here the paragraph is also starting from the same statement as it is given in the question. You can match it with that. Mineral and power resources are vital for the economic and industrial progress of a nation. How? Because the presence of minerals and power resources can have powerful influence on the relative wealth and economic independence of a country. कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर किसी country में if the country is rich in availability of mineral, it can use widely its resources for the growth of the nation, right? So what should be the right answer? This is the right answer, page number 128. In short, paragraph completely you will mark. Okay? Coming on to the next question. Question number second is, what are minerals? Name two main type of mineral with examples. You have to define the minerals and you have to give main types of minerals and their examples. So who will tell? Aditya Gangwani. बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, page number 128. Ma'am,
Okay.
first paragraph, a naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. मैम उसी पैराग्राफ की लास्ट लाइन में मैम एग्जांपल दिए हुए हैं, कॉपर एज, ब्रोंज एज, आयरन एज, एक्सेट्रा.
Along with, I have also asked that two main type of minerals. आपने क्वेश्चन को अंडरस्टैंड नहीं किया ढंग से.
मैम मेटेलिक मिनरल्स एंड नॉन मेटेलिक मिनरल्स.
Yes. Now you have to give the example of these two, metallic and non-metallic.
मैम मेटालिक का मैम गोल्ड, सिल्वर, कॉपर और लेड. नॉन मेटालिक
Limestone, mica, gypsum, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, everyone, for the answer of question number 2, in short, you can come at page number 128. पेज नंबर 128 पे आपको क्या मार्क करना है? फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ, फर्स्ट लाइन, a naturally occurring substance. From here, in the second line up to mineral, जो highlighted word आपको given है, ठीक है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, पेज नंबर 128, फर्स्ट पैरा, फर्स्ट लाइन, ठीक है? यहां से मार्क करना है आपको सेकेंड लाइन में मिनरल तक, ठीक है? नेक्स्ट थिंग, व्हाट इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन, two main types of minerals. So what are these two types? First one is metallic mineral that you can find at page number 129. There are two main types of mineral which are given. Now इसके साथ ही आप देखेंगे पेज नंबर 129 पर फर्स्ट पैरा, पेज नंबर 129 पे आइए, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ, सेकेंड लाइन आपको मिल जाएगी. Minerals are generally grouped into two types. These are metallic and non-metallic. After that, you will write the examples of mineral. These are gold, iron, silver. ठीक है? और non-metallic के examples आप क्या लिखेंगे? Limestone, mica, gypsum. All you got the answers? Yes, everyone. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
नॉन मेटेलिक के एग्जांपल वापस बताना.
Non-metallic के एग्जाम्पल है लाइमस्टोन, माइका, जिप्सम. Non-metallic minerals, पेज नंबर 129 पे you can find a heading with pink dark color which is non-metallic minerals. इसमें आप फर्स्ट लाइन में ही आपको एग्जाम्पल्स मिल जाएंगे. limestone, mica, and gypsum. These are some examples of non-metallic minerals. Now you got it, Hemant? मिल गया बेटा example?
Yes,
Fine? Yes, ma'am. Okay, now we are going to continue with the next third question, which is, what do you understand by the term ore? Sudhanshu Gupta, बताइए बेटा. What do you understand with the term ore?
मैं पेज नंबर 128.
Okay. Page number 128. Yes.
फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिनरल्स का और फर्स्ट लाइन में ओरियो.
Okay, I got your answer. So everyone, page number 128. Come at page number 128. You will find the heading formation of mineral. Formation of first line. There is a highlighted word ore. क्या मिल गया सबको? Minerals are commonly found in form of ores. In a rock from which a valuable or useful substance, especially a metal, is obtained. I hope all you get the answer. Yes.
मैम रिपीट.
मम्मी फर्स्ट लाइन भी लिखनी क्या? मिनरल्स आर कॉमनली.
रिपीट कर रही हूँ बेटा मैं एक बार फिर से. आई एम राइटिंग इट ऑन द बोर्ड एज वेल. पेज नंबर 128. heading formation of minerals. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिनरल का आपको फर्स्ट लाइन से मार्क करना है. फर्स्ट लाइन से कहां तक मार्क करना है? टिल द थर्ड लाइन. ठीक है. Formation of minerals, first line, minerals are commonly found in form of ores. Whereas what is ore? आगे continue है. Ore is a naturally occurring substance or a mineral in a rock from which a valuable or useful substance, especially metal, can be found or obtained. Till the obtained आपको mark करना है. तो first 3 lines of formation of mineral. I hope now you got the answer. Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. We are going to continue with the next question, which is question number 4. Write 2 characteristics of mineral. It is the easiest question. A straightforward question. Write any 4 characteristics of. Sorry, these are 2 characteristics of minerals. So who is going to tell? बताइए अंकिता, आप बताइए बेटा. Okay, I think there is a connection issue with Ankita. Harshita Madnani, tell me any 2 characteristics of minerals.
Page number 128.
Okay.
Formation of minerals. Minerals have the following
Okay.
characteristics. They are unevenly distributed.
Fine. Next.
They are mixed up with a large variety of impurities.
Very good. It is the right answer. So at page number 128, under the heading of formation of minerals, you will find the 4 characteristics of mineral. Out of these 4, you can write any 2 characteristics. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
And if there is any doubt, you can send me message in chat box. Nobody will shout like this. Only say your answer in form of yes or no. The next question is, write a short note on geothermal energy. The next question is, write a short note on geothermal energy. Yes, Ronak? बताइए बेटा. What should be the right answer?
Ma'am, on page number 1.
Divyansh, beta, I will repeat the answer of question number 4 later. Let's mark the next question first. Okay, here I'm going to
On
tell.
page number 135.
Okay, page number 125. 135 or 25?
Ma'am, 35.
Yes, now you're right. So page number 135, yes.
Ma'am, there is a paragraph, geothermal energy. From the energy derived from hot springs, New Zealand and Russia also produce geothermal energy.
Okay, beta. Everyone come at page number 135. This is answer of question number 5. Come at page number 135. There you will find a paragraph of geothermal energy. You will find a heading, geothermal energy. Under that heading, mark the answer from the very first line. I am reading all the lines. You can mark. The energy derived from hot springs, emission of dry or wet steam from hot rocks at great depths is called geothermal energy. So you have to mark all these 3 lines from the beginning of geothermal energy. The energy se lekar up to geothermal energy in the 3rd line. This is question number 5 answer. Yes, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, so we are going to continue with the next. Question number 6 पर आ रहे हैं हम. दिव्यांश, who was asking? दिव्यांश को वहाँ बताई देंगे. बेटा अभी आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे लेटर. पहले एक बार ये इन शॉर्ट वाले जो भी हमारे क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको मार्क कर लें, ठीक है? After that I'll ask you. Question number 6. What are metallic mineral? Give examples. So I am telling the answer of this question. You can mark it. Because we have very limited time. We have to complete all the answers today only. This is the last class of the week. So the 6th answer, you can find it at page number 129. There is a heading, metallic minerals. Page number 129. Under the heading metallic minerals, आप mark करेंगे. Metallic minerals are basically found as ores. We get metals such as iron, gold, and copper from metallic minerals. Okay, these 2 lines you have to write in form of answer. Metallic minerals, first line metallic mineral से लेकर के second line में from metallic mineral तक आपको answer mark करना है, right? Coming on to the next question, which is question number 7. Question number 6 के answer में किसी को कोई problem?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 रिपीट कर दो.
बेटा
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5.
As I told you, जिनका mark करना रह गया है, I will remark or tell you again answer of those questions. Once जितने भी क्वेश्चन थे हमारे इन शॉर्ट वाले उनको हम कंप्लीट कर लें, उसके बाद में आप लोगों के जो भी क्वेश्चन स्किप हो गए हैं, मार्क नहीं कर पाए हैं, और whatever the doubts of yours, you can ask, I'll tell you. Question number 6 के बाद we are coming on to the question number 7, which is what are non-metallic minerals? Give examples. तो जहां अभी पेज नंबर 129 पर we mark the answer of question number 6 वही आपको पेज नंबर 129 पर मिल जाएगा. क्वेश्चन आंसर नंबर 7. There is a heading non-metallic minerals. So under that heading, you can mark from the first line, non-metallic mineral do not contain metals. Limestone, mica, zinc, gypsum are examples of such minerals. यहाँ तक आपको मार्क करना है. From the first line, non-metallic minerals do not contain silica. Next line में minerals तक. All you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Next, question number 8. Where do you find iron ore in India? So, distribution of minerals में ये हमें मिल जाएगा. Distribution of minerals in India, page number 139. Answer of question number 8. You can find the answer at page number 129. There is a heading. The last paragraph. Distribution of minerals in India. There you will find a subheading iron. First subheading iron. इसमें आप मार्क करेंगे India has deposits of high grade iron. And these are mainly found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. I repeat, answer of question number 8, page number 131. The heading is distribution of minerals in India. There is a subheading iron. पूरा पैराग्राफ आपको मार्क करना है iron जो subheading है. I hope you all get the answer.
Repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat.
Okay, I'm going to repeat it. Page number 131, heading distribution of minerals in India. Fine. Distribution of mineral in India में आपको नीचे एक सब हेडिंग मिलेगा iron. Completely mark it. India has deposits of high grade iron से लेकर till the end कर्नाटका. आयरन वाला जो पैराग्राफ है आपको कंप्लीटली मार्क करना है. ऑल यू गॉट द आंसर नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी 1 by 1 आपके जो डाउट्स हैं फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट से वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दैम. डोंट वरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर रिपीट करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का आंसर रिपीट करना है. राइट. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. देखो क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट में क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है आपका, राइट 2 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मिनरल. 2 characteristics of minerals. You can find the answer at page number 128. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर है बेटा ये पेज नंबर 128. Let me write it on the board also. Answer 4. Page number 128. There you will find formation of mineral. Formation of mineral में नीचे आप देखो characteristics आपको given है. There are 4 characteristics. 4 characteristics में से you have to write any 2 characteristics. इन 4 में से कोई भी 2 आप लिख सकते हैं. I hope it's clear now. मिल गया देवांश? Yes, Divyansh, you got the answer now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, question number 5. I'm going to repeat the answer of question number 5. And your question number 5 is, write a short note on geothermal energy. Beta, geothermal energy come at page number 135. Answer 5. Page number 135. There is a heading geothermal energy. And geothermal energy, mark first 3 lines. I hope you get the answer now. Geothermal energy at page number 135. The energy derived from hot springs se lekar, it's called geothermal energy. Okay, beta, fine. You got the answer. That's really very good. So, who is asking? Question number 7 का आंसर भी एक एक करके सारे रिपीट करवा लो बेटा. Where you were earlier? Question number 2, question number 7. एक बार में हम ध्यान से क्यों नहीं सुनते हैं? Be attentive in class. Fine, I'm going to repeat the answer number 7. Answer number 7 is, what are non-metallic minerals? We cannot find non-metallic minerals. कितनी बारी बताना पड़ेगा बेटा? Now just stop it. I'm getting what you guys are want to do. Page number 129. Answer 7. Non-metallic mineral. ठीक है, नॉन मेटेलिक मिनरल में फर्स्ट 2 lines. This is your answer. You can mark it. Page number 129, answer number 7, non-metallic minerals. There is a heading and you have to mark the first 2 lines. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metals से लेकर के till the mineral in next line. Now I hope you all got your answers. So we are moving on to the next, which is long answers. Answer following questions in detail. First question. Describe the main minerals found in India. Yes, Tarun, please tell me the answer. Don't know? Yes, Priyanshi. You can speak up, Priyanshi, unmuted now. You can tell the answer. Okay, if nobody is telling the answer, so just mark it. I'm telling you. Answer first. Describe the main minerals found in India. You can find the answer at page number 131. There is a heading. Distribution of minerals. Find it? You have to mark it completely. Iron, bauxite. Next page पे आ जाइए, पेज नंबर 132 पर. Mica, copper, manganese, limestone, gold and salt. And now you will tell that मैम ये आंसर तो बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाएगा. तो बेटा क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल है, ठीक है? हाँ, one thing I can do with that, in long questions you can write only 4 to 5 names of the places or the district or the states where the minerals found. Okay, Vaishnavi, I'm going to repeat it. Yes, listen to me everyone first. बाद में बताइएगा कि टाइम ओवर हो गया. Question number first, detailed question. Answer is at page number 131. There is a heading, distribution of minerals in India. यही हमें बताना है कि इंडिया में minerals कहाँ कहाँ पर मिलते हैं, where these are available. So we have to write the name of the places where we can find them. So at page number 131, iron, bauxite. Next page पे आ जाइए 132 पर. Continue. mica, copper, manganese, limestone, gold and salt. These are the minerals that are found in India. And what you can do, आयरन के लिए आप कर सकते हैं एनी 4 प्लेसेस के नाम लिख दीजिए कि आयरन कहाँ कहाँ पर मिलता है. Similarly with the bauxite, similarly with the manganese, mica. You have to write the name of minerals. अच्छा, आप एक काम कर सकते हैं इसके लिए, मैं और सिंप्लीफाई कर देती हूँ उसको. देखो, इसके आंसर के लिए आपको एक टेबल ड्रॉ करना है, ठीक है. इस तरीके से आप टेबल फॉर्म करेंगे. यहां पर लिखेंगे आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मिनरल्स इन इंडिया. फाइन. और उसके बाद यहां आप लिखेंगे नेम ऑफ मिनरल और नेक्स्ट कॉलम में आप लिखेंगे प्लेसेस वेयर फाउंड. ठीक है, प्लेसेस जहां पर ये मिनरल मिलते हैं. अब आपको करना क्या है, यहां पर आप नंबर 1 लिखेंगे आयरन. एनी 4 प्लेसेस. आयरन कहाँ कहाँ पर मिलता है? झारखंड है, उड़ीसा है, रांची, एमपी. ये आपने 4 प्लेसेस के नाम लिख दिए. सिमिलरली द नेक्स्ट वन इज बॉक्साइट. तो इट विल बी इजी टू लर्न, राइट. बॉक्साइट के भी ऐसे ही एनी 4 प्लेसेस आप लिखेंगे. You got the pattern how to do the answer of this question? Yes, everyone. Tell me now, is it simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. के नाम लिख दें. मैम प्लेसेस के नाम लिखने हैं ना इसमें.
जी बेटा, इसमें आपको प्लेसेस के नाम ही लिखने हैं कि कहाँ कहाँ कौन कौन से मिनरल्स अवेलेबल हैं इंडिया में. तो आप इस तरीके से एक टेबल फॉर्म करेंगे. There you will write a heading on this distribution of minerals in India. Along with this, you can write on the left side name of mineral, and on the right hand side you can write the places where these found. So first one is iron. You can write it can be found in Jharkhand, Orissa, Ranchi, Madhya Pradesh. Whereas you can write next one is bauxite, where it found. आप उन places के नाम लिख दीजिए. Fine. I hope the answer of the question is very simple. क्योंकि आप अगर theoretically इसको लिखने पे जाएंगे तो at least answer will be of 2 pages. ठीक है, तो इतना लेंथी हमें नहीं करना है. जितना अच्छे से हम उसको समराइज वे में आंसर कर सकते हैं वैसे हम करेंगे, राइट. आई होप इट्स क्लियर अप.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, we'll continue in the next class because time gets over. Okay class, thank you. I'm going to leave.